Whether for promotions, decor, or business signage, static window clings are effective marketing assets for any industry, and installing them is easy. Before you begin, we recommend that you install your cling in temperatures between 40 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit for optimal adhesion. You might want to consider hiring a professional installer if your cling is larger than 18 by 24, or if it has a complex design, overlap, or is tiled. Now, let's install. Here's what you'll need: a tape measure or measuring tool, a glass or multi-surface cleaner, a lint-free cloth, masking tape or painter's tape, application fluid. This can be made with a spray bottle of water and a couple drops of dish soap, a hand applicator or credit card, a rubber roller, this one's optional, and a safety pin. Step 1. Prep your surface. Use a multi-purpose cleaner to thoroughly clean the window, ensuring it's free of dirt, dust, grease, or other debris that may affect the adhesion process. We recommend doing a final wipe down with water and a lint-free cloth. Step 2. Apply your cling. Find the center of your cling on the window. Once you do, mark where the top of your cling will be with tape. Peel back the liner from your cling. Spray the window and your cling with applicator fluid, misting each with a couple of sprays. Hint: less is more. And set your cling back to your tape marks. With the top edge of the cling in place, use a hand applicator or credit card to smooth the top edge down and out from the center. We recommend placing a piece of masking or painter's tape along the edge of your applicator to minimize the risk of scratching the cling. Use a rubber roller, if you have one, to press out any air bubbles. This will create a better seal to the surface. If air bubbles persist, use a pin and poke a hole in any that stand out to release the air. If there are too many bubbles, you may have to peel back your cling and do the smoothing process again. Wipe away any water residue from the smoothing process. That's it. Allow 24 hours for your cling to dry out and adhere completely. Then stand back and admire your work.